All right. So now I had a few calls earlier in the week about my physician loan program. If you are a physician and you would like to purchase a home, but maybe you got a bunch of student loans and you don't have a lot of cash to put down, I have 100% financing. That's zero down payment with no PMI loans for physicians. If that would help you, I want you to call me. If you're in the medical field and you know somebody that may be wanting to buy, please be kind enough to turn me on to them. I will take great care of your folks, and I guarantee you my products and product lines that I have here at CrossCountry Mortgage are second to none in the industry. So please let me know. By the way, if you ever miss this show, you can always go to my YouTube channel, Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger. But please subscribe to that YouTube channel. The more YouTube subscribers I have, the higher it gets me in the rankings. And at the end of the day, the great thing about YouTube is you're not getting spammed for anything. Also, for all of you folks that are planning on doing your taxes this year, I want you to be aware of something. If you are doing something that is free, you have become the product. So if you go to, I'll give you an example, like a TurboTax, and you don't pay for that, they are going to be able to sell your private information off to other people. That's how they're making money. They're not doing tax returns for you for free because they're kind. They're doing it because you've become the product. It's just like Credit Karma. So many people use Credit Karma to check their credit report. Well, that's great, but your data is being sold. So you wonder why people know you're looking for a car, or you're out shopping, or you just charge something at Home Depot. They know that because they're selling your data. So if you don't want your data sold like that, then don't do things for free. If you're looking for a tax preparer, call somebody that's local. If you need a name of a tax preparer, I'll be happy to give you the people that do mine. But I'm telling you, if it's free, you become a product. So I bring that up because so many people, when they're looking for homes or they want to check their own home value, they go to Zillow and go, oh, Zillow says my home's worth $495,000. I think that's wrong. I think it's worth $525 because I have this and I have that. So, but when you go on Zillow, they capture your information, and then you wonder why you're getting 40,000 real estate agents calling you to sell your home. It's because you're going on their sites and you have become the product. So I don't like my information being sold. I don't like it. Now, I know I can't entirely prevent it because it's just the society that we're in these days. However, if you don't want your data being sold and you're trying to minimize that, I created a program called HomeBot. Go to my website at webringyouhome.com and go to home value and register there. And I will create and put you on a system that's interactive, that you will be able to monitor a more accurate way to monitor your home value. It also gives you tools so that if you want to know how much equity you have, whether there's home equity lines available for you, can I pay extra? If I pay extra, when will it pay my house off? All kinds of different things that my system will do for you, but it's private. You're not going to get solicited by anyone. I pay for it. You get it. Now, if you're a real estate agent and you want to be able to offer that to your clients, and you are in alignment with me and in business with me, I will provide you up to 25 of your clients for free to put on it. Any more than 25, then there is a financial commitment to that, but it's very reasonable. But I'll tell you what, the great thing about HomeBot is I have an 86% open rate. 86. I don't know anything that's got an 86% open rate, but it does because people use it because it's a tool. So it's a great tool for you. If you want it, go to webringyouhome.com or call or text me. I want on your home value page, 407-706-3313 are my friends in Tampa Bay, all the way down to Cape Coral and all the way to Lakeland. You can call me at 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009, or webringyouhome.com. webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. I'm the Loan Arranger. You can reach me. I'm available. If you're looking for a lender that's got more loan programs than any lender in the entire country, you're talking to him right now. If you're looking for a lender that actually returns phone calls and talks to his clients, that's me. Listen, there's some other big loan officers in town, even that work for my company, and they're huge. They're super successful, but you're not going to talk to them. You're not going to get financial advice from them. You're going to only deal with their staff, with their people. And listen, that's not a problem. I have a staff of people to cater to you as well, but I'm accessible. I physically go out and teach classes to people on how to invest, first-time home buyers, real estate agents, on how to do their job better and find more business and be better, a better servant leader to your clientele. So I do these things. I set up personal appointments. Yes. Do I have a staff of people to gather your pay stubs, W-2s, and tax returns? Of course, I don't need to do that. That's not highest and best use for the Loan Arranger. My highest and best use is helping you learn how to gain wealth in real estate and get what you want when it comes to purchasing a home. So isn't that really what you want? If that's what you want, then reach out to me. Listen, if you're a real estate agent and you're not getting the results out of your current lender, it's because they don't have the skills, they don't have the products, they don't have the staff. And if you're a real estate agent that doesn't have those either, then you should definitely be aligning with me, because I will help you in your business much more than the next realtor next to you that's doing just okay in their field. There's certain things that I think real estate agents do well, and certain things I just don't think they do well. If you are not producing 4 transactions a month consistently, that's 2 buyers, 2 sellers, 4 a month consistently, every month, month after month, then you're not doing it right. You're not doing it right. And heck, as a real estate agent, you could make $300,000-$400,000 doing 4 transactions a month. So why aren't you doing it? Why do most real estate agents only close 1 a month or even less? I mean, I talked to some agents, they thought they were pretty good. They closed 10 transactions. If I don't close at least 10 transactions a week, my hair is on fire. I mean, I'll close more transactions in a week than most loan officers close in a year. That's true. Why? Because I have the team. I cater, I care, we have integrity, we do what we can to get the job done, we find ways to get your loans approved, we try to make our process as simple and easy as we possibly can so that things aren't complicated. As you know me, I'm not complicated. I'm a 10th grade dropout. There's not a lot of things I do great other than mortgages. I do mortgages really well. I help people build wealth very, very well. So I don't have a finance degree. I'm not a Harvard graduate. I have a PhD, a public high school diploma equivalency. That's what I got. But if you want to learn from somebody that knows money, knows how to leverage money, and likes helping people grow, then I'm the guy to talk to. I'm the guy that's going to be there. You want a great mortgage, first-time home buyer, move-up buyer, refinance, debt consolidation, renovation loans, construction perm loans, you name it, I got it. And I am a direct lender, so I don't have all these overlays like banks and a lot of these brokers have that can't get the job done or tell you they can do it. And then you're one of the 60% of the people that crash and burn before the closing. My people don't crash and burn before a closing. We weed out any potential problem up front so that you can have a safe transaction. You can ensure that your family is going to get into that house that you truly wanted to buy. If that's what you want, then you choose the Loan Arranger. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, Tampa Bay, 813-213. That's 813-213-4009, 813-213-4009, Orlando 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or webringyouhome.com.